So these are the cost curves, and if we look at them, we can label them, but we can also come up with some of the information that is gleaned just by looking at the different curves. So the first curve that we're going to look at is curve A, and curve A is the marginal cost curve. Marginal cost is going to decrease at the beginning. If we look at it right here, it's decreasing. And then it's going to increase as the quantity of output continues to increase. Next, we're going to look at curve D. And curve D is our average fixed cost. And curve D is always decreasing because average fixed cost is defined as fixed cost divided by quantity. And as our quantity keeps increasing as we move to the right of our quantity of output, then this curve is going to continuously get smaller. If we look at curve B is our average total cost, and curve C is our average variable cost. Our average total cost is defined as the sum of our average variable costs and our average fixed costs. So the difference between these two curves, if we look at it, over here, it's much larger than it is over here. And the reason for that is that our average fixed cost is decreasing, so our sum is getting closer and closer together. So our average total cost is total cost divided by quantity, and our average variable cost is variable cost divided by quantity. And our total cost, if we come over here, divided by quantity, is going to be equal to our variable cost divided by quantity plus our fixed cost divided by quantity. Our marginal cost isn't calculated really in the same sort of way because it's not an average. It's the change in total cost over the change in output. So this allows us to see what the additional cost of producing one more blank is. And your marginal cost curve is intersecting your average variable cost at the minimum point, and then it's intersecting your average total cost curve at the minimum point as well. But that's just more of like a side note. You can mathematically solve that if you really wanted to, but these are the different cost curves, and this is just the general formulas for how to solve them.